Hello everybody, back with me Aldis. So last year I took makeup courses at DFMA here in London, and one of their aftercare program is having a masterclass that collaborated with a lot of big makeup brands, and I have a privilege to attend Charlotte Tilbury Masterclass. For that night, we've been taught how to do Victoria's Secret makeup look. Just finished the master class. Now we're in Covent Garden. Now it's time for shopping. Now I'm vlogging.
Oh, we're vlogging.
I spent 55. And you?
150. Oh no, there's a little bit more.
And you there?
188.
Nice. You spent
Oh my god, I'm tired.
We have special discount off for that night, so that is the reason why my mate's going crazy. But it was absolutely such a great deal. So that night I bought her 2 eyeshadow cream. This is just like a very basic color. So this is Jean and Marie Antoinette. Also I bought another Hollywood Flawless filter, and then the sharpener. It is really doing a great job, so I think it's worth it. Like, is it about £5 without the discounts? Is that? I can't remember, but yeah, if you want to splurge yourself with fancy brand but really doing a good job, this one. And these are my favorite products of Charlotte Tilbury. Let's talk about the powder first. For me, this powder is beautiful. With this, I promise you won't get any, what you call it, cakey. So that's the reason why I like this product. Can you see, like, I hit the pen? Next one, the Flawless filter. This is a multifunctional product for me. You can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as your base, you can use it as your foundation, as your tint moisturizer. This is just give you like very healthy skin looking.
I just can't. It's just completely different. You've got 7 different shades. It's like this dewy. It's not like a glitter glow. Like, it's just that wet, glowy, dewy look. But it's also really adaptable.
So that's it. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you find it very helpful, and see you on the next one. Bye. For me, this is like a multifunctional. Is it multifunctional or multifunctional? So this is a whatever.